Okay, the next is connectivity. Connectivity means what? The connection between every pair of vertices either directly or indirectly. ठीक है, आपका कोई ग्राफ गिवन है, each and every pair should be connected, each and every vertex should be connected, चाहे directly हो चाहे indirectly हो. For example here, any graph, we'll take this graph. Okay, here यहाँ पे if you say A से E के पास connectivity नहीं है, but still will say there is a connection got. यहाँ पे A से E is not connected directly, but it is connected indirectly. A to B, B to E. There is a connection. So connectivity, each and every vertex is connected if you notice, right? Either directly or indirectly. How we are going to go? Via the edges. ठीक है? How we are going to travel it? Via the edges. ठीक है? Simple, right? Next. Connected graph, we have already seen this in that type of graphs, but we'll see this again. मतलब क्या होता है यहाँ पे? Connected graph means it begins at a vertex. If we begin at a vertex and we can travel all other vertices via the edges, then we'll say that the graph is connected. For example, this is the graph given. Suppose this is your graph G. This is a connected graph. कैसे connected बोलेंगे? Suppose if you are starting at A, you are able to travel all the vertices. ठीक है, through the edges you are going to go and visit all the vertices from A to B, B to E, E to D, D to C. ठीक है, सारे के सारे visit हो गए. This is one path. There can be another path, A to C, then D, then B, then E. The path can alternate. ठीक है, you can also start from E. There is no such specification कि आपका starting ये है, ending ये है. The main aim is the graph should be connected. मतलब all the vertices should be traveled. ठीक है, done. This is an example of disconnected graph. ठीक है, suppose this is a graph G2 where you have got, this is one component and this is one component. Together it is making one graph. If you see here, there is no connection between these components. This has got a vertex set and this has got a vertex set. दोनों के बीच में connection नहीं है. If you travel from here, you cannot reach anywhere here. E, G, F, H, nowhere. Right? These are not connected, disconnected. ठीक है, connection नहीं है जिसके बीच में. It's very easy only. Okay, this is done. Now let's see what is cut vertex and cut edge. Cut vertex मतलब क्या? ऐसा vertex जिसके removal से आपका graph disconnected हो जाएगा. You are given a connected graph. You are going to remove one vertex जिसके निकालने से your graph will become disconnected. Okay? So here if you see, this is a graph given. Suppose this is a graph G. अब यहाँ पे suppose if you want to remove C, अगर आप C remove करेंगे तो you are going to travel from B, A, D, but C remove हो गया, there is no vertex here. So what happens? You cannot go to E, you cannot reach this place, you cannot go here. So what's happening? The graph is becoming disconnected. ठीक है, same way if you want to remove E, अगर आप E remove करेंगे तो ये चार तो travel हो जाएंगे, but यहाँ से आपको दूसरे component में नहीं जाने मिलेगा. मतलब you cannot traverse the other vertex. दो अलग अलग components हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, for example here I am going to remove E. ठीक है, the vertex E I am going to remove. So what happens? A, B, C, D will be as it is. We are going to remove E. तो E चला गया, F, G and H will be there. So this is the graph, but I've got two different components. This is one and this is one. So it is a disconnected graph. ठीक है, by the removal of vertex, one vertex, the graph will become disconnected. That is called as cut vertex. Cut edge मतलब same thing. जो edge के निकालने से आपका graph, connected graph will become disconnected. That is called as a cut edge. ठीक है, an edge whose removal will render you in a disconnected graph. For example here, यही example हम ले लेंगे यहाँ पे. If you are going to remove the edge, this edge between E and C, ये edge को अगर आप remove करेंगे, so what happens? This will become one component and this will become one component. There is no connection here. There is no bridge in between, right? So here, for this graph, this is the cut edge. If you are going to remove the edge CE, ठीक है, CE is an edge that you are going to remove. So what happens? CE के बीच का जो edge है, it is removed. ठीक है, सारे के सारे vertices as it is है, but there is no connection between C and E. The graph is now became wide, disconnected. So this is a cut edge. C and E is called as a cut edge. Here, cut vertex is E. It can also be C. Okay. Now next is cut set graph. मतलब क्या? यहाँ पे set मतलब क्या? You are going to take collection of edges. ठीक है, आप बोल रहे कि this is your given graph, main graph. This is your edge का set. ठीक है, यू विल हैव वर्टेक्स सेट एंड एज सेट, राइट. सपोज ये आपका एज सेट है. नाउ यू आर सेइंग फ्रॉम दिस एज सेट यू विल मेक वन सबसेट. ठीक है, आपके एज सेट में से यू आर गोइंग टू फॉर्म अ सबसेट. सपोज E1 और E डैश एनीथिंग विल बी अ सबसेट ऑफ E बोल के आप बोल रहे हैं. ठीक है, E में से थोड़े एजेस में निकाल लूंगी एंड आई विल से दैट दिस इज अ सबसेट. और ऐसे एजेस में निकालूंगी जिसके रिमूवल से माई ग्राफ विल बिकम डिस्कनेक्टेड. गेटिंग? बाय डिलीटिंग ऑल द एजेस माई ग्राफ विल बिकम डिस्कनेक्टेड. डिलीटिंग ऑल द एजेस फ्रॉम द सबसेट. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये आपका एक्चुअल ग्राफ है. ठीक है, द एजेस. ठीक है, E1 to E9. From that E1 to E9 I'm going to pick E1, E3, E5 and E8. ठीक है, and I am saying that this is a subset of E. Okay, valid, because E1, E3, E5 and E8 are present in E, right? Okay, subset हो गया. अब one condition क्या है यहाँ पे, to be this cut set. cut set होने के लिए क्या condition है कि ये सारे के सारे delete करने पर मुझे जो है सो मुझे एक disconnected graph मिलेगा. ठीक है, let's see here. दिस इज द ऑब्टेन्ड ग्राफ. ठीक है, E1 है यहाँ पर, नहीं है E1. द कनेक्शन E1 इज गॉन नाउ. E3 इज गॉन. E5 is gone. There is no E5 here. There is no E8. So if you see here, ये एक component है, ये एक component है. The edge is now a disconnected edge, disconnected graph. The graph is now a disconnected graph. How? We deleted all the edges from the subset of E. ठीक है, समझ रहे आप. एक आपके पास एक्चुअल एज सेट है, द ओरिजिनल एज सेट, उसमें से आप थोड़े से एजेस निकाल लिए और ऐसे एजेस निकाले जिसके डिलीशन से यू आर गोइंग टू गेट अ डिस्कनेक्टेड ग्राफ. ठीक है, ओके, तो ये एक ऑल्टरनेट हो गया. वी कैन ऑल्सो गेट वन मोर ऑल्टरनेट. सपोज यू आर ओनली गोइंग टू रिमूव E3, E4 एंड E5. ठीक है, यू आर गोइंग टू रिमूव E3, E4 and E5. So what happens? This will be your graph, resultant graph. Here if you see there is no connection to A. All the other components are connected but A is not connected. So still it is a disconnected graph. So this is also an edge set. Getting? Your edge set can have only one component as well. खाली एक component भी हो सकता. Suppose, ठीक है चलिए, if you are removing E9, you are forming a subset which contains only E9. So if you are removing this E9, or if you are deleting this E9, what happens? This becomes disconnected. यहाँ पे कोई connection नहीं होगा. So your graph is now disconnected. Getting? This is nothing but cut set. Set of edges. Okay? Set of edges whose deletion will give you a disconnected graph. Okay?